To begin, open the Outlook for Windows desktop client. If prompted, sign in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. Once logged in, navigate to the upper left-hand corner and click the File tab, and then select the Info submenu. We will scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Manage Add-ins. This will open a new tab in your default browser, and you may be prompted to sign in to your CSU email account once more. An Add-ins for Outlook box should appear in the middle of your screen. We are going to navigate to the menu on the left-hand side and select Admin Managed. And in this section, we will locate the Zoom for Outlook add-in, and at the bottom of the box, click Add. You will be prompted to agree to the license terms and privacy policy. To continue the installation, click Continue. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a message that the add-in has been pinned to email and calendar items for easy access. We will close the box by clicking the X in the top right-hand corner and return to our Outlook for Windows inbox. Now, whenever we open a new event in our Outlook calendar, we will notice that the Zoom for Outlook add-in is located in our toolbar, allowing us to add meetings to our Zoom schedule directly from Outlook. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.